Wind energy, in the tapestry of renewable power, has become one of the most crucial and rapidly expanding sources across the globe. Among the various players in this field, China has remarkably positioned itself as the manufacturer of the world's best wind turbines, setting a precedent in both production and technology. In the journey towards achieving renewable energy targets, China's evolution in the wind turbine industry is nothing short of extraordinary. The country's entrance into wind energy was not heralded with much fanfare, and its early models were not especially notable for their innovation or efficiency. However, through a concerted effort in research and development and strategic investment, China began a rapid climb to the top. The Chinese government, recognizing the immense potential of wind energy, began by implementing policies that encouraged the development of domestic wind technology. This included generous subsidies and a regulatory framework that fostered growth. The domestic market boomed as a result, and local companies quickly scaled up their operations. Companies like Goldwind, Envision Energy, and Ming Yang Smart Energy have not just flourished, they have eclipsed many of their international competitors to become leaders in wind turbine manufacturing. Goldwind, in particular, exemplifies the Chinese surge in wind turbine technology. Its turbines are considered some of the most reliable and efficient on the market, boasting impressive energy outputs and technological innovations such as permanent magnet direct drive generators, which enhance energy conversion efficiency and reduce mechanical wear and tear. This means lower maintenance costs and higher uptime for wind farms, translating directly to more energy and better returns on investment. The efficiency and reliability of Chinese turbines are not the only factors that have propelled them to the top. Their adaptability has also played a key role. China's diverse geography has necessitated the development of turbines that can operate efficiently in a range of environments, from the cold, windswept steppes of Inner Mongolia to the typhoon-prone shores of the South China Sea. As a result, Chinese manufacturers have developed turbines that can be fine-tuned to a variety of specific climatic conditions, thereby maximizing efficiency. The turbines produced by Chinese companies have now become international products. For instance, the Chinese wind turbine manufacturer Xinjiang Goldwind Science and AMP Technology, or simply Goldwind, has become the world's leading supplier, with its turbines spinning across the plains of the United States to the Australian outback, and from the foothills of Pakistan to the African savanna. The firm has mastered both scale and technology to deliver turbines that compete on cost and performance. In the competition against established Western giants like Denmark's Vestas and General Electric of the United States, Chinese companies have often come out ahead. These companies have traditionally dominated the wind energy sector, with Vestas and GE offering some of the most advanced wind turbines in the world. However, the agility of Chinese firms, combined with their ability to rapidly scale and reduce costs without compromising on quality, has given them a competitive edge. China's prowess in wind turbine manufacturing can also be attributed to its strong supply chain. The country's vast and comprehensive manufacturing capabilities, combined with a robust network of suppliers, have allowed Chinese companies to optimize production, cut costs, and improve the quality of their turbines. This vertically integrated supply chain ensures that all components meet the highest standards required for sophisticated wind energy projects. Furthermore, Chinese manufacturers have shown a remarkable ability to innovate. The use of artificial intelligence and advanced data analytics in turbine management systems is a prime example. These technologies enable predictive maintenance, which in turn enhances the lifespan and efficiency of wind turbines. By integrating these advanced systems, Chinese manufacturers have moved towards creating smart turbines that can adapt their operation in real time to changing wind conditions, further maximizing efficiency and energy output. In addition to technological advancements, China has also become a leader in offshore wind power. Its companies have been quick to venture into the seas, deploying some of the world's largest offshore wind farms. For instance, the Guangdong Yudian Group's offshore wind turbines are marvels of engineering, capable of withstanding the powerful marine winds and the corrosive saltwater environment. This expansion into offshore wind demonstrates China's commitment to dominating all facets of wind energy production. On the global stage, the proliferation of Chinese-made turbines is a testament to the country's ability to meet diverse market demands. From the arid deserts of Africa to the frigid expanses of Northern Europe, turbines made by Chinese companies are well suited for a wide array of environments. This versatility has been a key factor in China's ability to export its wind technology globally. However, the success of China's wind turbines is not solely due to manufacturing and technological capabilities. The Chinese government's commitment to green energy has played a pivotal role in promoting wind power both domestically and internationally. By setting ambitious targets for renewable energy production, the government has created a stable demand for wind turbines, providing a significant boost to the industry. The ascendance of China in the realm of wind turbines is a story of vision and precision, reflective of a broader shift in the global energy landscape. In the past, Western companies and countries might have been considered the sole flag bearers of cutting-edge technology and innovation. Yet, the rise of Chinese wind turbine manufacturers challenges this narrative, showcasing the globalization of technological leadership. One critical area of focus for Chinese manufacturers has been the size and capacity of wind turbines. Larger turbines with longer blades and taller towers can harness wind energy more efficiently as they reach higher into the atmosphere where winds are steadier and stronger. Chinese companies have been at the forefront of this trend, increasing the scale of their turbines. The result is that turbines made in China are not just competing on cost, but are also pushing the boundaries of wind energy technology. This expansion in scale is perhaps most evident in the realm of offshore wind farms, where the challenges of marine engineering demand robust and high-performing turbines. Chinese-made turbines for offshore wind farms are among the most powerful in the world, designed to maximize energy capture even in the variable conditions at sea. As these technologies have matured, Chinese firms have been able to significantly drive down the cost of offshore wind power, which has historically been more expensive than its onshore counterpart. Another key strategy employed by Chinese manufacturers has been partnerships and acquisitions. By collaborating with or acquiring established Western firms, Chinese companies have gained access to advanced technologies and expertise. These strategic moves have also allowed them to bypass some of the protectionist barriers that have emerged as wind energy becomes an increasingly strategic industry. As a result, Chinese turbines incorporate the best of global technological advancements while maintaining cost competitiveness. Research and development have been the linchpin of China's success in wind turbine technology. Unlike other sectors where Chinese firms may have been accused of imitating Western technology, in wind power, they are seen as innovators. Investment in R&D has been substantial, and the outcomes are visible in the efficiency ratings and operational capabilities of the latest Chinese turbines. These efforts have been supported by a large domestic market that allows manufacturers to achieve economies of scale, thus providing the funds and the impetus for continuous innovation. The implications of China's dominance in wind turbines are vast and varied. For one, it has contributed to a significant decrease in the cost of wind power worldwide, making renewable energy more accessible and affordable for countries at different stages of economic development. This has important implications for global efforts to mitigate climate change, as it facilitates a broader transition away from fossil fuels. Furthermore, China's approach to wind turbine production offers a blueprint for industrial policy in the 21st century. It demonstrates the importance of a coordinated strategy that includes government support, investment in research and development, and a commitment to sustainable practices. This model is instructive for other countries and industries looking to reorient their economies towards innovation and sustainability. In conclusion, the story of how China came to have the world's best wind turbines is not simply a tale of economic success. It is a parable of foresight, adaptability, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. It showcases the fruits of investing in green technology and the benefits of supporting emerging industries through smart policy. As wind energy continues to gain momentum worldwide, the turbines dotting the landscapes and seascapes, many with their roots in China, stand as sentinels to a cleaner, more sustainable future powered by the wind. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video.